We are at 809 Becker Road, Cincinnati. Put coverage on valleys. They only put in shakes around the valleys. So today we came here with some shakes. We're gonna try to see if we can repair this. Our recommendation is probably not to repair it, but you know, Cincinnati thinks that the roof's repairable, so we're gonna go and check it out. We got our tools here, bar it out by the valley, see if we can even get this repair done without damaging everything around it. So we're just gonna do it where the valley is, right here. Give me a second. So always when you're replacing a valley, obviously the valley goes under the shakes, so we're gonna have to see. So as you can see, the valley ties in under. The valley is obviously damaged by hail. It's a really old shake, so as you can see, even if you touch it, kind of starts crumbling. So we got the shakes right here. Let's try to do the repair. What you have to do with a cedar shake, obviously the nail heads are here on top, right? So even if we try to pop these shakes, which obviously the valley goes under, we're gonna try to pop the shake up, and using obviously a crowbar, because obviously this is a long head, so this is perfect for stimulating cedar shakes. What we're gonna do is try to go up just to remove one of these shakes and see if we can pop it up right here without damaging everything around it. All right, so right there, this is already showing you damage being created after trying to repair these shakes. So I definitely don't recommend repairing this roof, because you're just going to keep causing damage. I mean, you're going to keep going up and it's going to keep breaking no matter what, especially where it's nailed in. So that's the one. It already failed. We can try on the right side too. Let's say we pop these out, right? We got to move these up. So we're going to go up. Let's try to pop that up. All right, so yeah, already this is already broken, so there's absolutely no way this shake's repairable. As you can see, nail pops. We can do another closer one, just overview. So that's one failed, two failed. We'll do another one right next to us and see like the nails, how they're going. So we're gonna try to repair this one. What we're gonna do is pop this one up, pop these up, pop these up, pop this one up. Yeah, pop that one up. So it's going. Yeah, it's okay. The way the shakes are, they're already damaging. Right here you can see this got damaged. See, it's so brittle and old. But we're still gonna try it, just in case the insurance adjuster is gonna say it's obviously repairable, because you know we didn't do it right. But we're popping it up. Yeah, there's absolutely no way you're gonna get up there without creating damage on the shakes, because of how long the cedar shake goes out. So our recommendation is, obviously this roof's not repairable. Cincinnati insurance is, you know, trying to say that yeah, we can repair all these shakes, but yeah, it's not gonna happen. We did it on both slopes. It's the same condition on every single slope, and we brought the shakes. I'm not gonna even try to put it in, because I'm just gonna create damage going up every time, and you know, it's not gonna work. And my recommendation is to replace it. Also, when the engineer who came out here, he set a goat, is what they call them, and I obviously told him, don't walk this roof, it's old. You can see that it's gonna get damaged. So this, he did this, he did that, he did more going up. You can see some more splits and stuff. and right there you can see another one. So obviously old Cedar shake, not repairable. Our recommendation is full replacement. And yeah, thank you.